I can't take off my eyes out of this place. Want to see again and again. It's so beautiful. Today we are visiting Lockhart Tea Factory, which is one of the oldest tea factory in Munnar, and it's more than 150 years, almost 150 years old. Surrounding is really mesmerizing. Located in beautiful and peaceful location, this factory timings are 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. and ticket charges for entry charges for adult is 250 and for children it's 100 rupees. But they didn't charge for our children, and they took only 200 rupees from us, 200 per adult. This factory name is Lockhart Tea Factory, but older name of this factory is Harrisons Malayalam Factory. They have tour batches to visit the. They are showing the full process in 30 to 40 minutes session is there. Now we are waiting in front garden over. They build beautiful garden over here, and we are waiting and enjoying here.
We started Cinco. So our brand name Harrisons Malayalam. This never get never say. This is factory brand only. Either 2020 factory have same brand. Place name will be different. It's called Lockhart. So there's
Rustic charm of this factory takes us in olden era, and it's 30 to 40 minute session. In this they are showing simple process of tea production, and it's orthodox method they are using for tea production. Look at this part of this full stem and the leaves, big leaves. Only front part of this is used to make world's best tea, which is white tea. First part is like sorting leaves, and then it will go to main processing unit. These are the processing unit where they gave us tour and information
by size
about this.
basically smaller and bigger.
Really very happy because I'm seeing the place where जहाँ पे मतलब हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी मेरी तरह बहुत सारे लोगों की ज़िंदगी का पार्ट है जो टी जिसके बिना हमारा दिन ही स्टार्ट नहीं होता है उसको उसके मेकिंग की प्रोसेस देखना इट्स रियली ट्रीट टू आवर आइज. अरे गरम वाला की टेम्परेचर आहे आता चला 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आहे समजलं 100 डिग्री आहे चला लवकर. It's surprised to know the tea bags we are using is made up of this kind of waste from whole production of tea. all in here.
Color shorting. Just listen to my camera. This camera shorting color again. The color even black, uneven black. Well understood. Black color is leaf. Brown color is a base color. This brown color is a stem only. It's not a tea, it's a stick. This is leaf, just leaf.
And at the end, tea tasting session was there. In that, they will show you, or not show you, they will teach you the right method to prepare the tea and to drink it, how to drink it.
Leaf very bigger. Leaf only. The same leaf typically flowering. This leaf is broken. So this is very smaller. This have it made for more dark color. Strong, tannin. This is duster. This is not a petrol. Evax. Fine. You don't boil the tea. Just I mix boiling water. Then it should be closed. 1 to 3 or 3 to 5 for your taste. For your taste. If you like more stronger, if you just leave it long time. Milk tea. This tea should be covered 5 minutes also. Mostly you can boil the tea. Just boil the milk, then add the tea and boil it too much. 2 super preparation tea. If you want 2 cup of milk tea, can you add 1 spoon of tea with 1 cup of water? So be close 5 minutes. Can you prepare the hot milk separately? Half milk. Just a minute. 3 minutes also enough. Infusion. The orange peppermint, the leaf will be open, this color will become the orange color. Is no need sugar, no milk. Just have it water only. Same like a green tea, it's more tasty. If you have it milk, it's stronger, more than a more strong taste. This is duster. Stronger, tannin, strong, tasty. Same time with dark color also. Dark color. Color from this leaf only. The water here. Just I of tea is preparing 30 cup of tea is make a 300 rupees tea. Okay, you don't disobey the color. I will teach you the same way.
Start. Smile na.
Adi. We purchased a few tea flavors here, and it's like orthodox tea and some flavored tea also. Totally worth to visit this place, and it's very informative session for you. You will enjoy the tour. There is nothing boring. I heard like tea factories, it's a little bit boring, but this totally worth to visit. We enjoyed full tasting from process of production to tasting and buying the tea over here. It was really great experience. Hope you like this place and video. Please do subscribe my channel and give thumbs up to video. मिलते हैं ऐसे किसी next video में. Till then, bye bye. Take care.